Good morning. My girlfriend brought me coffee in bed for Valentine's Day. I'm so spoiled. And also, I have these incredible flowers that were delivered at the crack of dawn. We were both still asleep, and there was a delivery, and Laws rose like a zombie to go and retrieve these beautiful flowers. They're so pretty. They're so pretty, and I love them, and they're pink, and that's the most important part, that they're pink. Sorry I look horrendous. I'll see you soon, where I don't look horrendous. What else would one have for Valentine's Day breakfast other than hotcakes and hash brown?
It's the greatest meal in the world.
Okay, we're going to do a live taste test of hotcakes. First time trying hotcakes. Mecca's hotcakes. I've never tried these even, I should probably turn this music off. I've never had hotcakes, not even in America. So, we'll see. We'll see if we like them. I imagine they're pancakes, but with a little bit of McDonald's crack in them. That's my anticipation. And as my wonderful girlfriend so eloquently put it, they're hot cakes, not cold cakes. So we better get to eating, babes. Whipped butter. Love that packaging, honestly. Look how squishy. Oh, shut up. It's so cute. I have fish here next to me. Hello, fish. I'm putting butter on this bitch. I'm assuming it's like everything, better with butter. Time for the hotcake syrup. Time to do it. Time to put it on. That looks pretty hot and sexy. That's a pretty sexy stack of hotcakes. Sorry, it's getting pornographic on the channel. Not this wooden fork and knife making me feel like a caveman. Holy shit, dude. That has crack in it. That has crack cocaine in it, I think. Whoa. Holy shit, dude. That'll fucking wake you up. That's a good morning in the form of McDonald's meth. And of course, the hash brown. We'll see how the hash brown compares. The Australian hash brown versus American. Damn. Damn, it's got that crispy, baked in a buttery, flaky crust. Got that crispy little edge to it. There are some days where the sadness I feel could only be cured with a McDonald's hash brown. I firmly believe this. We've just had a lovely, relaxing morning. Oh, there's a cat. Hello, cat. She's been following us all around the house. I think she likes us. I think I like this little life. That's what she's singing. And now I am going to shower, get ready. We are going to pick up a pasta machine, get some ingredients so that I can make a chocolate raspberry torte for Laws for Valentine's Day. It's a very top secret chocolate raspberry torte. She definitely did not explicitly ask for. I said, what would you like me to bake for you for Valentine's Day? Chocolate raspberry torte. You know, you don't have to decide now. You can talk to me in a few days. Chocolate raspberry torte. So we're making a chocolate raspberry torte. So we're picking stuff up for that, and then also to make some homemade ravioli, homemade pumpkin spinach ravioli for dinner together. It'll be our first time making ravioli together. Okay, see you soon. It's still recording. Okay, babes, now time to make a list of all the things we need for Valentine's Day. This is my very official notebook where I write all of my very official notes, aka where I get to write fun, cute little lists that I then transfer to my cell phone so that I can actually go shopping. I already fucked up. Valentine's. Okay, we have our list. Our list has been completed. That's a lot of stuff. That's a whole lot of stupid bullshit. Hot kid, milk beverage. All right, everybody, back up. There's a whole lot of nuts. There's a child then. She had the whole thing. Whole lot of nuts. Flowers! They're so pretty. I think they deserve a special spot in this vlog. Look how gorgeous. I look like a literal child with this bow on my head. I can't. It's very cute, but I look like a child. Now that we're home, this whole wearing a nice shirt situation is coming to a close. It's time for gremlin hours. And it's Valentine's Day, so I should be wearing a shirt with a heart on it. Even though I did already wear it yesterday. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Dude, that's better. We got the little claw clip. The effortless chic of a claw clip, she says, in the filth of a shirt that she wore for the last 24 hours. Okay, so I just spent the last 30 minutes getting all of our flowers unwrapped and into their respective vases. We had lots of flowers, you see, because it's Valentine's Day and I'm in a gay relationship. But additionally, my beautiful girlfriend got me flowers yesterday because I wasn't feeling well, and she's very sweet and lovely and wants me to know that I'm loved every day. So these are the flowers that I got. I already showed you. You already saw them. And they are in a lovely little vase here with a little ribbon on them. And then I will show you the flowers that I got for Lois. Here they are. Look at them. We especially love these little blue ones because of the lovely little lavender and blue color that they have.
They're my favorite. We always put this down so that she has somewhere to. She just loves sitting on things, not carpets, not rugs, other things.
Towel.
You are precious beautiful.
She is precious beautiful. So now I'm going to get to work on baking a chocolate raspberry tort. Okay, so this recipe says heat oven to 160°C/140°C fan/gas 3. Hey, my Americans, that's what do you think that means? What do you think they meant when they said that?
To the rescue.
Do we have Bergman Bieber? Fish don't eat the plastic.
She did it.
She ate it.
She did it.
Ba-da-da-da-da, I've got the Cadbury baking chocolate and butter together. The chocolate mixture, so it is. It's chocolate and butter. This is 180. So we need 225. I've got to do math, haven't I?
25 is to 2. Is to 4.
What? I need 36 squares. 8 times 4 is 32.
If the perimeter of the square is doubled, what happens to the area?
Okay, there's been a new decree, no more math on Valentine's Day. So once we melt all this down, then we will stir in the vanilla and the coffee powder. I got this really nice coffee powder, Barista Reserve Crema, Classic Creme, Golden Crema, Smooth and Velvety, Intensity 7. I should put this on. Hiya. Okay, the chocolate is melting. We have liftoff. All right, this is the disgusting chocolate butter soup that we have going on. It's taking everything in me to not just, give me my chocolate butter soup. I feel like I'm giving, what's his name? The guy from the baker? No, what's it? The bear. What does he say? Rawr! What does he say?
Give me a fucking 7. Is he American?
I don't know. Oh, it smells very good. Would you like to come smell it? It went right in my brain hole. Woo! Now we are going to put in the vanilla and coffee powder. I don't think a close-up is really necessary because it doesn't look that nice. Whiz the almonds. I like this verb, whiz. That'll do, donkey. So what if I have 10 grams too many almonds? That could ruin everything. Maybe I won't do that. So I gotta whiz this. Big whizzing energy. Next up, we have to whisk eggs with an electric mixer for 5 minutes until doubled in volume. Baby, I am the electric mixer. So we've whipped these eggs for 5 minutes and they look like they have a lot of bubbles. So we've accomplished that. Hey Siri, how many cups is 140 grams?
Cups and grams are not
Okay, slowly add it, okay.
Oh, fish.
Now we fold in the chocolate mixture. You gotta fold it in, Bobby. Girl, what does folding in mean? What do you mean? Oh my God, that smells so good. This is what we're looking like, team. Still looks like chocolate soup. It's good soup. Sprinkle over half the flour mixture and fold in, then the other half. The mixture will be rather runny. Where is it going? Divide, oh, we're done. We're gonna put them in the tins. Oh my God.
Strong lady.
Yeah,
Strong, sexy lady with big muscle.
yes.
Squeeze my head splinter with your thighs.
Okay, my little babies, it is time for you to depart and go into the oven. Let's get a little shot of them before they go in. These are our beautiful chocolate bombshells. About to, don't mind the jet engine in the background. They're about to go in here. About to go in this oven and they're about to get cooked. See you later. You're so beautiful. Beautiful cat. While we wait for the cakes to cool, we're making the
We're
pasta.
making the pasta. We've got a lot of kneading to go.
Go get the pasta.
Oh my goodness, imagine remembering this like in years to come.
Our first Valentine's Day together.
Alright.
Looks so beautiful. Look at our little baby. Ooh, she fancy. I wanted a mocktail because I wanted to feel fancy. And this is really achieving that fantasy. Oh, now this is classy. Oh, we're living large, Bobby. You make the best mocktails, Bobby. Oh, it's so cute. Moment of truth. It's good, thank you. Get those layers. Build the delicious gluten. The delicious gluten. We're like making pasta. We're doing the thing. Oh! The pumpkin and the spinach and the ricotta and a brown butter sauce. We cook the pasta. Ooh, get it nice and crispy. Oh hell, that's gonna be delicious.
We also have this brown butter emulsion.
All right, this is our finished product. This is our ravioli, our pumpkin, spinach, and ricotta ravioli. We will report back on how it is, the flavor. Oh my God, holy shit, that's delicious. That brown butter sauce, forget about it. Definitively forget about it. That's delicious. Okay, this is the finished product. We have the chocolate raspberry tort. The glaze didn't go as planned and I didn't have any more chocolate. So you know what? We made it work. And this is her, this is she. She's also a little flooded. We maybe put a little bit too much filling, but I think it's done. All right, team, thank you for joining us for our first Valentine's Day together. Valentine's Day 2024. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and all of the things. Thank you for watching. Tell me what your favorite dinosaur is in the comments because I would like to know. We have so much to clean. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.